Welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today we're going to make the seamless spiral heart. Right, so there's this color one that I've made. And then there's this little purplish one. But for today's one, I'm going to use some pink and black to make. It's very easy to make. You will start with a slip with a magic circle. And you will chain one. That's to anchor your work. You will then make 6 single crochets. Pull your magic ring and tighten. Now, you're going to work in the very first stitch that you made. And you will make the following 2 stitches in the first stitch. The first one is 1 single crochet. The second stitch in the exact same stitch is a half a double crochet. That's it. In the next 2 stitches, you will make 2 double crochets in each stitch. So this is your main, this is color A. And I'm using color black for color B. You will join this yarn in the same stitch that you just worked in with the slip stitch. I've joined it. In the very next stitch after that, you will make 1 single crochet followed by 1 half a double crochet. Then in each of the next 2 stitches, you'll make 2 double crochets per stitch. Leave a long tail and you're going to go back to color A. With color B, you're going to make 2 double crochets in the next 6 stitches. 2 double crochets in the next 6 stitches. Leave a long tail and go back to color B. With color B, 2 double crochets in each of the next 6 stitches. Let me repeat that. With color B, 2 double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. Once you're done with that, please leave a loop and go back to color A. With color A, in the next stitch, make only 1 double crochet. In the next stitch after that, make 2 double crochets. So you're going to need to repeat this twice more. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochets in the next stitch. And this is how your work will be looking. Pull your loop and go back to color B. Oops. With color B, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochets in the next stitch. In your next stitch, 1 double crochet. In your next stitch, work 1 double crochet and 1 extended double crochet stitch. In the next stitch, you'll be working 2 stitches also, 1 treble, and 1 extended double crochet. In your next stitch, 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, 2 double crochet. Next stitch, 1 double crochet, followed by 2 double crochets in the next stitch. In the next stitch, you'll put 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to put 2 stitches, so it'll be 1 double crochet and 1 extended double crochet stitch. In the next stitch, you're going to make 2 trebles in the same stitch. The stitch after that, you're going to make 2 excuse me, in the next stitch, you're going to make 2 double treble crochets. So here's our 2 double treble crochets. Done. In the next stitch, you're going to make 3 double treble crochets in 1 stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, you're going to put the following 3 stitches. 1 double treble, followed by 1 treble, followed by 1 extended double crochet. Then you will put 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half a double crochet in the following stitch. In the next stitch, you're going to put 1 single crochet, and you will finish it off with a slip stitch. At this stage, you can cut your yarn. Please forgive the lighting. We seem to have persistent load shedding in South Africa. Right, you're going to go back to color A. In your next stitch, you're going to make the following stitches. 1 extended double crochet, 1 treble, 1 double treble. That's 3 stitches in that 1 stitch. In the following stitch, you will make 3 double crochets. 3 double treble crochets. That's my second double treble, my third double treble. In the next stitch, you're going to put only 2 double trebles. That's 1. Here's the second one. In the next stitch, you'll put 1 treble and 1 extended double crochet. In the next stitch, you'll put 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, 2 half a double crochets. In the next 3 stitches, you will make 1 single crochet in each stitch. So that's 3 single crochets. In your last stitch, 1 single crochet. 1 slip stitch and fasten off. You need to now go ahead and work your tails away. You have a choice. You can either use a darning needle to do this, or you can use your crochet hook and just quickly work the leftover tails completely away. I'm not going to do too much of it. I just want to show you the end result of this pattern. Here you go. Completely done. Please comment, like, subscribe. But most importantly, when you make one, please tag me. I'd love to see your work. Thank you. I'll see you on the next vid.